Can-Am problems. Well, if it was a Polaris, the rear diff would be making noise.
Speaking of rear diff, didn't we have a rear diff go
Speaking of rear diff, where the f is Brandon?
Well, you just said it yourself. You know, Polaris, rear diffs, they don't go together.
Like,
you just put a brand new prop shaft in and it just grenaded. First hole.
you know what it was? It's because the prop shaft that he put in was so strong.
Yes.
It grenaded the diff. Here comes Smash. Get the lens dirty, that motherfucker. You got one or no? It's all right. I'll leave it.
Hold it, no.
No, it's fine if you just leave it. If you smear it, you're. No. He's going. He's going. He's going, Chris.
On water now.
You like that?
I really like that.
Yeah. Have a box. Had some thick shit in there. Well, just try to, don't try and push on it real hard, just kind of lightly, just lightly.
She's working. She's working. What a cool spot.
Oh, yeah.
There's always usually a little bit because it sucks in.
Oh, yeah. Hear the bell? Hear the bell? No, that bell is not.
Yeah, something's, I think it's your belt.
I think my belt is hot.
Yeah, it might be. At least you have the clear clutching, you can kind of see it.
Yeah, it's wet. Yeah.
Yep.
a pass.
Oh, okay, yeah,
film me?
sure.
Oh, Brian's gonna be wide. You want to use this one? Or you want me to?
No, I'll use his. Oh, you want to use his? Yeah, we can swap.
Is that doing video or is it doing?
Yeah, he wants to do video. You just gotta press the record.
I'm pinned. I hope you got enough data or enough
Oh yeah, I formatted
storage.
the card last night.
All right. Is he still recording?
I had
Yeah, he's still recording.
80 gigabytes of shit
Look
last
at the
night.
majesticness.
Fucking way too much.
Yeah, I should have brought that mask.
How do I zoom with this prick?
Just like that.
Okay.
Try to look natural.
You're just gonna press the button to start it recording.
No, it is recording. He didn't shut it off. I did. I did.
Right.
See, that's the thing with
Eyes
these
are fucking wide.
with these huge lenses.
Yeah.
We're too close right now. Yours is actually not
Yeah,
bad.
this is a medium one.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
this is like a little more.
It's a big dick.
So it's, yeah.
Is your belt blown or is it just wet?
That's wet. You can see inside.
It's fine.
Likes it. It's fine.
Couple neutral bombs. How do I go with the?
What?
Oh, it's all right.
Sony's kind of above my pay grade, but
Yeah, okay, Chris.
okay. Are you sure it's recording?
Yes, I can see the timer going up
Where's it saying that?
on the bottom left. You,
Why are you yelling at me?
cause you're.
Okay. Working on shit.
Yeah.
Brian. What are you thinking, bud?
trying to get my shit on, man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna send it.
How's that fin trail zipper?
Oh man, it's a nightmare every time I gotta do it up.
Yeah, they got to work on that. They got to change out those little tight
Don't ask me
zippers.
about my fin trail bag.
They gotta change those little tight zippers out for some.
Feedback's important, okay?
Maybe we got to start putting gator wader zippers in them.
Yeah.
Oof. Oof.
Oof.
Oof.
This is actually
Yeah, this is good. What's going on right here?
belt box. Could be worse. could be
Can-Am
worse.
problems. Well, if it was a Polaris.
Never let off.
Okay, Brian, why don't you take?
buddy.
Why don't you take?
Look how clean you are now.
What?
Look how clean you are now.
I know, it's fit. I shouldn't even watch it at home today. That was a good waste of time.
God damn.
Yeah, I don't know about that territory.
Mid.